Let's learn about shapes. Let's start with color blue. Look, it's a rectangle. The color is blue. Triangle. Do you know what color is this? Yeah, it's yellow. Yellow square. Wow, it's a star. Let's put it right here. Yellow pentagon. Orange. Heart. Orange heart. Next, we have purple. Can you say purple? Great! Diamond. Let's put it here. Hexagon. Red. Let's try to find the red shapes. Red oval. Octagon. Green. Let's find another shapes with color green. Rhombus. Green rhombus. Round. Green round. We are finished. Bye-bye.